Magnolia flowers were the inspiration for this collar. Once the crystals are glued, pronged rims are carefully set over each one to hold them in place. Not all is as easy as it seems though, just a bit too much pressure breaks the crystals. Fixing means setting in reverse. Undo the legs, remove the rim, replace the crystal, and try again, even more carefully this time. Sometimes crystals will break in one spot 2 or 5 times before it comes together. The result? Super worth it for one special dog out there.